Let's look at the powers, duties and liabilities of trustees. There is no central set of duties owed by trustees. Trusteeship and the duties imposed depend on the type of trust, its provisions and the type of trustee. Generally, however, a trustee must act in good conscience. Trusts are based on conscience, and indeed it is conscience that imposes a trustee or fiduciary relationship in the first place and gives rise to the trust. Where there is more than one trustee, trustees must act jointly and unanimously when exercising their functions. This includes vesting property in the name of trustees jointly and accounting for trust income. This is subject to any express terms in the trust that permit different methods of operation for trustees that do not require joint action. The majority cannot impose their will on the minority, so when a unanimous decision cannot be reached, the intervention of the court may be required. The general duties owed by trustees include the duties on acceptance of office, relating to the need to familiarise oneself with the terms, conditions and history of the management of the trust. The duty to obey the terms of the trust. The duty to safeguard the trust assets. The duty to act even-handedly between beneficiaries. The duty to act with reasonable care. Duties in relation to trust expenses. The duties of investment. The duty to distribute the trust property correctly. The duty to avoid conflicts of interest. The duty to preserve the confidence of the beneficiaries. The duty to act gratuitously. And the duty to account and to provide information. The duties of trustees are obligatory, therefore a failure to perform them constitutes a breach of the trust.